Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As you can see, we starting off with no gas. You feel me? But hey, man, I'm just gonna get straight into it. Y'all see the title, man. Y'all see what we talking about, man. We POV drive in Olivia in Valet mode. As y'all can see, man, everything is, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why it looks so bright. Everything turned off, as y'all can see, man. We're finna get straight to it. We're finna just see how Valet mode is. I know nobody probably never really did this, so been like, why would I do a POV drive in Valet mode? You know what I'm saying? But like, yeah. I don't know why the video just started. I don't know, I kind of rushed it. I'm in a rush, man. I'm on the way to, you know what I'm saying, y'all favorite place y'all like me to be at. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm going. Bangers on the way for sure. So just stay tuned. This video obviously gonna drop before those. You know what I'm saying? But just stay tuned. But make sure you hit that like button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bells so you won't miss another banger from me. Hit that sub button, man. Hit that sub button. Get your boy to 10K. We on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, we finna see what Valet mode talking about. You see what it do? It turns off like everything, bro. Reduce engine power, launch control, paddle shifter, street traction, street steering. It feel like a Honda. Like everything about the car feel like a Honda right now. And I'm gonna show y'all, like, when you floor it, you can floor it. You can do all kind of stuff. Let me crack the window. At least I can still hear it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why it looks so dark. Car crew, pardon me. Well, yeah, man. As y'all can see, paddle shifters do not work. They don't work. Nothing works. I think if you put it in manual, mode, dang, paddle shifters still don't work, dude. You gotta do it like this. Let's see what they're talking about. Car crew, bro. If you got a scat, bro, drive it in Valet mode. Like, I'm put it in manual. I'm gonna put it back in drive. It's gonna be a quick little short video, y'all. I just wanted to tap in with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? See how y'all boy feeling, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. Let me know that you watched the video. You know what I'm saying? How you feeling? What's going? You know what I'm saying? What's going? But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all. We got 11 miles, bro, to eat. Like, don't ever do this, bro. Don't ever be like me. I didn't let my car get this low, but you know what I'm saying? I wasn't gonna put gas in it till today, so that's why I wasn't tripping. It was sitting for a day or two. So yeah, man. Anyway, look at this ultimate. Y'all always sliding. Like, y'all can't never just be peaceful. Y'all need a Valet mode, yeah. Y'all need a Valet mode that don't change, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we POVing, you know what I'm saying, in Valet mode. Oh, well, I ain't even know they could do that. I'm surprised they even did that. I'm gonna push it to the floor, y'all. I'm gonna slow down, bro. I'm gonna push it to the floor. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I'm gonna put it right here. Don't mind my crouch. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put it to the floor and watch what it do. Bro, the highest RPMs that go when you floor is 3,500. That's crazy. Y'all saw that, bro. Y'all see my foot? Like, I put it to the floor. Watch. All you get to the floor. I love it. Then when I put my car in anytime I need some work did. And it's the best way to save gas, I ain't gonna lie. If you know your foot heavy, bro, and you need to get some gas until whatever, you just need to save some gas, bro, put it in Valet mode and just get where you need to go, bro. You know what I'm saying? You still can put it in manual, you feel me? You still got this right here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just want to show y'all what the Valet mode what the Valet mode talking about, bro. I just want to understand why my lighting is so, like, it's not that bright outside, bro. I got the window down so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Only thing I don't like about this, though, you gotta shift with the other, what you call it, you know what I'm saying? That's the only time it's gonna break. That's crazy. Let me chill out, though. I only got 10 miles to eat, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even at the gas station yet. So Mustang in front of me. It's a V6 though. Still get on his ass. No matter what it is. No matter what you is, boy. You got a big ass wing on the back. Y'all see that? Hold on. They can't zoom me over there. Y'all see that? That wing tall as hell. But yeah, man. This is a quick little POV. I know it probably ain't the most entertaining, but I got some bangers, bro. Like I said, I'm going to y'all favorite place y'all love for me to go, man, where y'all favorite YouTubers at, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we finna do today, you feel me? On this nice, lovely day, y'all can see. But yeah, man, we finna be out there, you know what I'm saying, networking, getting to it, getting out there, man. I'm trying to get that 10K. I will get that 10K car crew, you know what I'm saying? Regardless how y'all feel, whoever be, you know what I'm saying, think otherwise, regardless how you feel, I'm gonna get it. And then I'm gonna get 20, and then 30, and then 40, and then 50, and then 60, and then 70. 100 and everything else above, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 10K just the beginning, you feel me? 10K is just the beginning. Should I race them? What y'all think? Race them in valet mode? I bet y'all still win. But that wing is crazy. Boy, what the fuck? Look at that bit. That carbon fiber too, that bit huge. That bit, like, that's too big. Most Mustang need wings because y'all look like eggshells without them. But that's too big, bro. Like, you can literally, that's like a curl bar. Like, people be at the gym and they put their arms on top of the mat and then they be like, you know what I'm saying? That's what that look like. Look at them. Looking all forward. But yeah, man, I know this ain't gonna be the most entertaining one. It's just I personally haven't seen this pop up on my YouTube, somebody doing a POV in valet mode, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, valet mode activated, you feel me? All that good stuff. But yeah, we finna do a dig in valet mode, see what they talking about. I'm gonna floor it, bro. I'm gonna get the truck some room. I'm gonna let it roll a little bit, and I'm gonna hit that bit. I'm gonna say I'm gonna gas. I had a certain amount of money I already put in my head I was gonna put in the tank, you know what I'm saying? Cause for what I'm finna do. But the gas, so they'll be way higher, so I'd be better off probably just filling the tank up completely. But you're gonna spend double what you just spent. Do that. All right, let go. Bro, this is to the floor. Literally. It don't go up until like it get to a certain speed. That's crazy. Y'all still get a little sound though. That's crazy, bro. Valet mode is I ain't gonna lie. It worked, but like literally valet mode. I don't know why they call it valet, but they should just call it slow mode. But boy, I'm talking about like, it don't let you do nothing. It be feel like a security system almost. But yeah, car crew, man, I just want to give y'all something slight. I know it ain't, don't be on my head, bro. Just, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all that content, bro. I know this. I'm just showing y'all what valet mode do, what it talking about, you feel me? And all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, man, I'm gonna head to the gas station. Y'all can see I got 10 miles to eat, man. So I'm gonna head to this station, man, and put some gas in Olivia. I will record it, but I don't really need to because I already did a video like that about filling up the tank. So, but yeah, man, like I said in my video, it's gonna be a wrap, man. Keep the motivation, keep the faith, man. Anything you're trying to do, man, keep doing it, pursue it. Don't give up and keep that ambition, keep that motivation, you know what I'm saying? Have that drive. You know what I'm saying? I always just want to keep doing it. Even sometimes you slack off, just don't quit. Don't completely quit. Come back to it, bro, every time. You know what I'm saying? Whatever dream you're trying to do, and you'll fulfill it. It's gonna take a while though, but you gonna look at that truck, boy. That bit hard. Ooh, woo. That bit hard, boy. Get out the way. I ain't talking about you. Yeah, that bit hard. But yeah. Anyway, man, like I also say for all my religious folk, man, keep God first. Ooh, this is, oh my. I ain't gonna lie, car crew, my bad. These newer SSs are starting to grow on me. I didn't like the front end for a while. I still kind of, it's slowly growing on me. They gotta look a certain way, certain color. And I like the 1LE body, the 1LE trim. Cause bro, that like, I don't know, it just look different than 1LE, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's slight differences. Dang, everybody, their mama getting gas. Everybody wanna get some gas out of that bitch. Look at this. Look at them, bro. Come on. Presidential move. You ain't got no tint. Bro, if you ain't got no tint, you have no reason to be doing anything you shouldn't be doing. That's just how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Like, folk be having tent. They don't have no tent, be having the audacity to do the stuff they shouldn't be doing as a driver or a civilian in their car. I'm gonna take that right here, though. Yeah, I'm gonna take that right here. Yeah. I wasn't gonna record going to the gas. I was trying to end the car crew, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's a few more seconds for y'all. Ain't gas going back up. But yeah, man. Like I said, if I'm our little folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Always keep him in your life and pray every day and ask him for guidance, forgiveness, man. And anything else you need to work on in life, bro. For real, though. Like, all just aside. But, like I also say, man, all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.